If you feel insignificant, you better think again. Better wake up because you're part of something way bigger.
What it do, H-Town, baby? It's Paul Wall. We here on the South Side Color Middle School. I just got tested for COVID.
Tina, they're already lined up. Look, I'm about to cry. 8 o'clock in the morning and they're already lined up.
It ain't no secret.
I'm very proud and honored to be a part of the Disney family and to help present the Disney Songbook Sing-Along in partnership with Feeding America.
To the doctors, the nurses, and other healthcare workers who are away from their families, taking care of ours, we continue to pray for your safety.
To all those who feel different, if you're a part of a group that does not get the chance to be center stage, build your own stage.
Megan Stallion, who do you want to do a feature with? Megan, who would you want to do a song with? And I'm always like, Beyonce.
Hips tick-tock when I dance. On that demon time, she might start her OnlyFans. Big B and that B stand for bands. If you wanna see some real ass, baby, here's your chance. I say left cheek, right cheek, drop it low and swing. Texas up in this thing, put you up on this game. I be parking my frame.
Gang. How do you feel about your summer this year? Did you have a good summer? Yeah? What'd you do?
I'm so proud to name Beyonce the 2020 BET Awards Humanitarian of the Year honoree.
We have to vote like our life depends on it, because it does. Black is King is finally here. I'm so excited you guys get to watch it tonight on Disney+. It's been a year in the making.
Break it down now.
This year, it was the first time in my life I've been so still.
Why does Snoop Dogg need an umbrella?
No. That voice?
But Drizzle.
Hair Love by Matthew A. Cherry. Narrated by Blue Ivy Carter.
Yeah. So this is the best way I can describe it.
I never trade you for anybody else. Hey, brown skin girl.
Skin just like bear.
The best thing in all the world.
I never trade you for anybody else in a brown skin girl. I never trade you for anybody else singing.
Okay. Ladies, I am so proud of you. You've done this with authenticity, with grace, with raw talent, and you managed to shine in every room you entered, and I'll always love you.
Step out your estimate. Step in your essence and know that you're excellent. Rise. The spirit is teaching. No, I'm not just preaching. I'm taking